This factory in Craigavon is one of the biggest manufacturers of heat pumps in the UK. Heat pumps are a technology which work like an air conditioner in reverse, absorbing heat from the air to warm a building. Ironically, very few of the products made here have been sold locally. That's because we're the only place in the UK or Ireland which doesn't have a grant scheme to encourage people to install these systems. But that looks set to change next year. Stormont has made some very big commitments to cut the amount of greenhouse gases we pump into the atmosphere. Ultimately, we'll have to stop burning oil and gas to heat our homes. Heat pumps are seen as the best alternative, but they'll cost thousands of pounds per household to install. The Housing Executive has been running a small pilot scheme in some of its properties, but now a much bigger scheme is in the works. In the rest of the UK, the grants are worth £7,500, but that does not cover the full cost.
So the grants will not cover the full cost. So if you look at the median kind of heat pump cost within the UK, it's probably around £13,000 for what's called an air source heat pump. It's about £27,000 if you are trying to then take that heat from the ground. The grants of £7,500 won't cover that full cost. They'll go a long way to effectively paying the cost of the actual installation itself, the boiler, but there could be a lot of other changes that you would need in your house, including radiators, fabric and so on, which will obviously have an additional cost burden to people.
The amount of financial support which will be on offer here will not be confirmed until later this year. The scheme will also need legislation to be passed by the Assembly. The hope is that everything will be ready to go sometime next year. John Campbell, BBC Newsline.